Hey guys, Jason here. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use the new loyalty tiers membership inside of GHL loyalty and rewards under GHL Power Tools. I'm Jason Urban, and let's go through this training. So over here, we have loyalty membership tiers. If you are inside your rewards leaderboard inside of your sub account, and you don't see this tab right here, what you're going to want to do is go back to your agency view, go over to the Smart Scripts dashboard. Here, Smart Scripts, or if you have Smart Reviews or whatever you want to call it, there, and you're going to go down to find the location under rewards locations. So Smart Apps, Rewards, click on Rewards, and then go and find the location. Now we're using the Fitness Rewards Marketing Snapshot here. I'm going to hit Settings, and you want to make sure that you enable tier memberships in the leaderboard. If you have that turned off, then it's not going to show anywhere for anyone. Okay, and if you don't have the sub account that you're trying to use in this list here, make sure you just go to Add Rewards Location and select your location from the list there. Now that we've had it and we have it turned on here, what we're going to do is we're going to swing back to our sub account here, and we are going to create a membership tier. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a membership. This should actually say membership details, but we'll say Fitness Membership 1. Okay, and then we're going to hit Save. Oop, and we'll see Fitness Membership 1 here. Now you can create different memberships, and then you can create tiers under those memberships. The memberships are completely separate membership programs, and the tiers are different tiers inside that membership. So you probably only need to have one, but we're going to click on Add a Tier, Add New Tier here. We're going to just call this Fitness. Let's call this Silver Tier, or let's just call this Platinum Tier. Platinum tier, or let's just call it Platinum. And we're going to include rewards, and we're going to include promotions. We can also give points if we want to have our customers, every time the tier refreshes, we give them points. So every month when they pay for their tier, if we want to give them points in order to bump up their points and allow them to reuse those points to redeem for exclusive offers, you can do that. So let's say we're going to give them 5,000 points for being on the Platinum tier here. And then we're going to go Add New Tier, and then we'll say Gold Tier. Gold Tier. We're going to include rewards, and we're going to include promotions. You can decide to include either one if you want, and then say for this one, we're going to give them 2,500 points instead. Now, we don't have any rewards or promotions linked to these tiers. And in fact, in this fitness one, we don't have any rewards or promotions created yet at all. So let's go and do that, and then we'll come back and we'll link up. I'll show you how to link those up. So let's go to reward items first. So first we have our Platinum rewards. We're going to go click on Add Reward, choose a file. Now, I mainly have restaurant stuff in here. Let's see if we have anything here for fitness right now. I might just have to use an example of restaurant one. I know our team does have some fitness stuff created for this, but inside my demo account here, it's mainly just fitness and salon at the moment. Yeah, we're just gonna go. Oh, we got gift cards. So let's go. Okay, we're gonna do. Let's just say we want to do a $50 gift card. Here as just an example. This is going to be exclusive reward, $50. The number of points, let's say 500 points. This is going to display a gift voucher. We can also display a form or just text. Our description is going to say, redeem this exclusive offer, reward, and get a $50 gift card. Now, if you are obviously doing, if you're going to do exclusive rewards and people are paying monthly to be part of a program, you wouldn't give them a $50 gift card. You would give them something like a if it's a fitness thing, it'd be like free one-on-one training session, so you'd go one-on-one training session. And then you could even put who that training session is with if you wanted to, and get a training session one-on-one with Sven. I don't know. Redemption method, bring in this voucher or book online and give us the redemption code. Okay, so we're going to make this active. Now, here's the thing. We're going to show only to tier members, and we want to say this is on the platinum and gold tiers. So you see those two tiers there. So we're going to add that reward item. I know it says $50 gift card. Probably better if we had a picture of somebody working out, but that's what we're going to do. So now if we go back to our membership tiers, if we go to manage tiers, we'll see that now there's that one-on-one training session inside of both the gold and platinum because that's what we selected. Now, if we go over to manage promotions, we can do essentially the same thing here. But we can create coupons and info and events, and let's go exclusive monthly event. Let's pick up an image. I know I've got a picture of a lady singing or something somewhere. So let's just grab something like that. Oh, no, it's under temporary images. Those are more gift cards. Reward image layout. No, let's go to again, more restaurant stuff, but let's go photos, and then let's just do something with this lady singing just to note an event. Now we can show only to tier members, and we can pick platinum and gold. Maybe we just want this one to be on the platinum one. Now we're going to select an offer. Now, when you're selecting an offer for your promotions, we have a whole training on how to use promotions, but really the essential part here is just selecting this new section here and then assigning this promotion to one of those tier memberships or both. And for this one, we're just going to do an event post. Going to say it's on the 31st here from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then here's going to be exclusive event. Subtitle, new description. There we go. And then we're just going to set the dates that this promotion is live in the promotions hub. So if we hit save there, now we'll have two events now show only to tier members. And then we'll also have a reward item that is only to members who are part of this tier. Now, in order to add somebody to this tier, what we need to do is we need to go to manage tiers, and then you'll see platinum and gold here, and then you'll see use this ID in a workflow. So what we want to do is click on this ID right here. It'll copy it. Then we're going to go over to workflows. Now, inside of our workflows, we have an automation that will say add to tier. I know I'm going pretty fast on this, but we are going to have everything copied out for you as well. So to add tier right here. So we're add tier, change tier, recharge tier, and remove tier. So the way we'd set this up is we'd have a trigger set up so that when somebody pays, they would get triggered. It would get triggered here, and they would be added to this webhook. All we have to do is, because we already have this in here, we're just going to change this tier ID and paste in that new tier ID that we got from our membership here. Now I'm going to create a different workflow that probably will have each trigger in there that is copied over or that is available for whether they paid, didn't pay, recharge, that kind of thing. It'll all be inside the same workflow. But for now, just starting out with this one, we do have separate workflows for each tier. So this would be add tier, and then we want to make sure we say platinum at the end, because that's how we know which tier they're being added to. So if we hit save there, we can go to this and we can find a contact, Jason Orban. That's perfect. And we're going to run that as a test. Now, I don't have any follow-up messaging in here saying, welcome, you just joined a tier, you did all this kind of stuff, whatever. But there is messaging that will get sent out that says, hey, you just earned points and things like that. So that stuff still needs to be added, but that's totally customizable by everyone here as well. So Jason Orban, that hasn't got sent out yet. But it will here shortly. Let's just give it a second. Okay, we're back and we got a message here saying you just earned points. So we're going to click on this and it'll send us over to our loyalty dashboard. Here where we can log in. 340, sign in. And then if we go to rewards, here we'll see that we have 7,500 points. I don't think I have transactions turned on for this one. So if we went to custom values for fitness rewards marketing here, we could say, I think it's down at the bottom. We don't want to expire, show transactions there. That's important. Update custom values. Come back to this page. Hit refresh. We might have to log back out and then log back in order for that custom value to change. Let's just try that one more time. Your rewards. There we go. It pulls in our points and now shows us our transactions here too. So you can see that we were added 5,000 points for being added to that tier. Now, if we click over at Earn Rewards, that's our referral page. And if we click on Redeem Rewards, this is going to be, you should see this exclusive reward. So exclusive rewards are denoted here by this star in the top right corner. If we had other tiers, other rewards in here, then they would just be, they wouldn't have that star in the top corner. And then so you can claim this reward now because we are rewarded 5,000 points and we had 2,500 in here already. So we have enough points to redeem that. Now let's just switch over to that promotions page. I wanted to show you that right now too. So we have our promotions page here. We are added to that tier. So I don't think we have any other promotions in here at the moment. And I'm going to have to check that out. Oh, that might be because we don't have any other promotions. That might be a little funky thing because we only have tier promotions. So let's go to, let's go create just a giveaway. I'm just going to create any promotion, $50 to all subscribers, information, test. Just doing that quickly so we can refresh it. And then let's go back to here and hit refresh. There we go. So I'll have to check that out. If it looks like if there wasn't a regular promotion in there, then it was telling us that there's no promotions. But now you can see we have that regular promotion in there, but we also have this exclusive event promotion in here as well. So I'll work on making sure that doesn't happen again. And then, this is just like any normal promotion, but the only people who are going to see it is anyone who's associated with that tier. So we created that promotion in that tier over here. This promotion is on the gold and platinum tiers. So you can see that, and it's an exclusive event that people will get access to, and they can buy tickets or do whatever you want. But that is all going to be under manage memberships. So the big things is you can create the membership. Then you can create your tiers here, create your tiers. And then under rewards, reward items, and manage promotions, you can decide whether that reward item is part of a tier or not. So it doesn't have to be exclusively only show to tier members, but you can assign it to only show for tiers if you want. And then same thing with promotions here, just to recap on it. So if we go into edit that promo again, you'll see show only to tier members, and then we selected which tiers we're on. So if I took off platinum, because that's the one that I added myself to, was the platinum tier. If we come back over to promotions now and we have a look at the available promos, that won't be available to me anymore because we removed that promotion from that tier. There's a couple of ways turn tiers on and off. I'm going to add that back there. If you want to remove, say, all promotions from a tier, but you don't want to go through and deselect them all, what you can do is under edit for a tier, you can just unclick that. Now hit save there. It still has the promotion in here, but when we come into the rewards tier over here, it shouldn't display anything for us. And same thing for rewards as well. Oh, it is showing it for us. So I'll have to check that out to see if we remove that or not. But let's click there and we'll re-add it. I know the reward one has worked. So we'll just check that out. So for the most part, that is how you go through and set up your rewards and your memberships. Remember, this is in beta at the moment, so there's going to be a few little things that we're going to find out as we go along. But if you find anything, feel free to reach out and please let me know so we can make the system better and better and better. All right, thanks. We'll talk to you soon.